Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I need to make this quick because my daughter's watching Wreck-It Ralph like 5 feet away from me, so I'm praying that it does not pick up on my mic. But today I went ahead and used the Morphe 35D Desert Bouquet palette. I've had this, I've done a couple videos with it. I really like this palette, I think it's super cute. But I did like greens and a little bit of yellow on the inner corner. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video because I can hear my daughter making her way this way, so I'm trying to talk really quickly. But if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I do have to keep this one short today because my daughter again is literally right next to me and I am so scared she's about to knock something over. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.